Puncture. Welcome to Pedal Drum Bikes. I'm Mick Roberts. Now, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to repair a puncture. Now, I brought this along, which is a tyre and an inner tube. Now, I'll take this out. What we need to do is, we've got a marker on here. Yeah, there. We've got a marker there. And we've got a marker there. Now, when you take this off the wheel, you need to line this up. So we've got it lined up. Now we need to find out where the puncture is. Now you blow this up and then you put it here like this. And then when you feel it, the air coming out, there. Now, say that's the puncture. All you got to do to find where the pin is, or the drawn-in pin, or bit of glass is, all you've got to do that, lined up with that. Put it back in there. Now, we've got to find that blue bit of tape, which was there. Now we'll shove that in here. Now that's where the puncture is.
Wow!
This is where you got to look. You've got to look there for the bit of glass, the drawn-in pin, or whatever, a sharp bit of metal. Then you've got to take the little bit of glass out, the drawn-in pin, and that will be the problem out of the way. And then just get yourself an inner tube, put it in here, and then fix it onto the wheel. Now say that's a new inner tube, you put it in the tyre. This has got to go through the wheel. Now when you get it through the wheel, get that. So there's your wheel there. Put it through there and kind of fasten it to your wheel. See? Fasten that to your wheel. So now it's kind of tight there where the valve is, and then the rest of the wheel will go on to the wheel itself. And the biggest thing with punctures is you've got to find what actually punctured the tyre. And I had a puncture on Monday, and it was a piece of glass, and that's how I found out where it was. I put two markers on, and I knew the area where that bit of glass would be, and I had to dig it out. It was about that long. There was a slight hole on the inside of the tyre, and we sorted that out. I put a brand new inner tube in. I don't believe in repairing the old one. There were a couple of quid a brand new inner tube, and it kind of it all went together. I put the old types of brakes, I call them horseshoe kind of things. You can you just open them to start off with, then you just put the wheel on, tighten them up. But there's two ways of putting the front wheel on. But there isn't with the disc brake. But with the old type of brake, you can put it different ways. Now, if you put a piece of tape here, and a bit of tape to the wheel, when you put the wheel back on, it'll be the way you took it off, and your brake will work. But if you put it the other way, the brake won't work. You have to spend about an hour trying to sort that out. You might have to look at this video twice to understand, what I've been talking about. But that won't be a problem. And I think you get a puncture about every 90 days. So you will be called upon to do that chore. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and you'll see me in the next video. Take care.